Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to export Godot projects to iOS without a Mac. The things that you'll be needing is GitHub Desktop and a GitHub account, and Sideloadly, which link to both of them will be in the description. So the first thing you have to do is get your Godot thing ready. I just made a sample project here, so what you're going to want to do is go up to Project, Export. I already got this ready beforehand, but you're going to want to press Add iOS. So as you can see here, there's some errors here. If you get missing templates, then you're going to want to import the templates. There should be like a step-by-step instruction on how to do that on the screen. That shouldn't be there if you've already exported to a device before or art. So let's work our way through these errors. So App Store Team ID not specified. That means that we haven't put anything in for the App Store Team ID, which can literally be anything. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then invalid identifier. Now that basically means that this identifier isn't filled out. So what normally people do is just do company name. I'm just gonna do example, and then the name of the app, which is I'm just gonna say tutorial. So there's a couple other settings I need to make sure. So export development debug development should be automatically there, but export method release, change that to development. Scroll down, you can choose the version. I'm just gonna leave it as blank. Capabilities, if you're doing Wi-Fi or push notifications or anything like that, or like this is where you fill out this stuff, which if your app needs any of these, then you'll fill these out. I'm going to leave these set default. Now for the icons here, I already have, you're not able to use the default Godot icon because it has transparent stuff on it, and you're not able to do that with a certain one of these. So I just did a solid white PNG, and I'm just going to do that for all of them. Okay, so now that I've gotten all those done, that should be all the settings done. So let's open up our project directory here. Now what you're going to want to do is open up GitHub Desktop, make sure everything is your account is linked and everything. Then you want to add existing repo. Then you just want to go and choose the path of your Godot project, select folder, create repo, and then just make sure that has like the name correct and everything like this. Leave these all none, create repo. Now what you're going to want to do is publish repo, and then name, tutorial, description, and all, and then keep this code private. Now with this checked, that means nobody will be able to see your project, but that also means that you get less building time, or the amount of time you're able to build. And so it's better off keeping it public because you get a lot more time building, if that makes sense. So let's just publish this. Okay, so let's minimize that and click the link in the description for this repo. Now this is my repo that I made for the workflow that we need. So we just go here, we just go to code, download zip, open here. Then what you're going to want to do is drag that into our project here, and then we're just going to want to unzip it. Then go into here, open here, and then just drag this .github into our main thing there. Alright, now we can delete these old files. And now you should have a .github with this directory tree. And with that done, we can go over here, commit to main, push origin. Now every time you make a change in your project, you're going to have to do that if you want it to build and all. And now since we've done that, what we can do is go back to our GitHub account, repo, tutorial, or whichever one you named it, and then go into actions, and it should, go into jobs, and now it's going through the steps. This process usually takes around 12 minutes, so just be aware of that. There might be a way to make it shorter, but not that I know of. Alright, so now the building has finished. So to get your build file, you just go over to summary, scroll down to IPA. You just want to click it, then it starts downloading right here. So once it's finished downloading, you just want to unzip it. Open it, and then open up Sideloadly. Now once Sideloadly is opened, you just wanna plug in your phone. I already plugged it in before, so I have it over Wi-Fi. Now you just want to drag this IPA over to here. Start. So now that's finished downloading, you should be able to see it on the phone. So we're over here on the phone now, so we just go over here, and there it is. There's our app. Now this app will only be on the phone for 7 days. If you want to keep it on there for like a year, then you need to get an Apple developer account, which costs €100 a year. And you'll also need an Apple developer account to release it to the App Store. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you did. Leave a comment if you have any issues with it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.